Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. When you go to Advance or any part store and you get like orange all degreaser soap, I have this container. If you have a small bathroom like I do, go to Dollar Tree and get one of these soap dispensers. You take your funnel, put it in your small soap dispenser, take your degreaser hand soap, pour it into the funnel, you tap it down, fill this up. Now if you want, you can get a little chalk label, put it on your small soap dispenser, put the lid on it, and that way if you have anybody coming over, they know that this is orange all, and you can put in your fancy scented soaps. If you are one of those that need to have a specific soap for your guests, and then your mechanic has his own specific soap, it definitely saves a ton on soaps. Saves space in your bathroom because you can store this big container, and always get the big one when you're refilling and you need more. Get the big one. It's just easier. You can put this in with your cleaning supplies or tucked away somewhere so the kids don't get to it and you don't have a giant eyesore just sitting about. Sorry it's been a while posting. Been busy with life and being a mechanic's wife. Thanks for watching. Bye.